I guess they wanted to make sure you could not get into this box. Like, it's one little piece of tape, finally. Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is another unboxing because Influenster has been extremely nice to me and has been sending me and my animals some goodies. I'm actually on the list of another vlog box, and that is the Estee Lauder Night Repair vlog box. I can't wait for it. I have heard so many good reviews about that serum. I can't wait to try it out. So this one is actually for my dog, and this is Arc Naturals Healthy from Tooth to Tail. So Vanna got a box to try out herself, and then off to the side it says Bark for Arc, Arc Naturals, and then every dog deserves healthy teeth. So I'm assuming it's something to protect her teeth. So let's dive into this box and see exactly what we got. Alright, so it looks like we only got one package, and this is the card that it comes with. It comes with a couple cards. So this is just talking about its 4-in-1 benefits in every bite, and you can obviously log into your Influenster app and check out your stuff, which I will have Influencer linked down below. Influencer is 100% free. All you have to do is go on there, type your information in, link your YouTube, social media accounts, anything that you have for a social media account. That gains you points of how many people you have following you on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, anything to that nature, and it gives you more of a rank. The higher your rank is, the better off you are of receiving vlog boxes. So yeah, that's pretty much what this card is talking about, and I will have all that information linked down below because this stuff is 100% free, you guys. All you have to do is go on there and type reviews of products you've used. That's all you got to do to get more goodie samples. So this one is talking about the actual product, and it's just saying, show us how you chew, ways to make your pup and our chews shine, pup with the Influencer box. So take a photo with my dog, which that's going to be very hard because she doesn't know how to stay still for 2 seconds. And then I just have a coupon in case she does like these, or I enjoy them as well and I feel like they are working. Then I have a coupon for a buy one get one free at PetSmart. So let's see exactly what the product is. So these are actually pretty good sizes. So it's for a small dog, which mine is, for 8 to 20 pounds. And it is a 4-in-1 dental chew with toothpaste center. So that's good. Because I don't know, I have a weird problem with brushing my animals' teeth. I don't know why, but it's, to me, I just feel like, because when you're brushing their teeth, they act like it's very uncomfortable, and it might not be, but to me, it's like, I don't like doing that. So I do like things like this. I even do it for my cat to help keep her tartar down. It outside ridges up briefly, cleans your teeth, easy to chew with toothpaste, and the center mechanically helps reduce plaque and tartar buildup, natural ingredients, and it freshens her breath. So this is what it looks like. So it does have a good date on it. It is good till March 2022. How many ounces is this bad boy? So it is a 12-ounce bag. And we'll open this and see exactly how big the product is. And another thing, before anybody attacks me, like, oh my god, you don't brush your animal's teeth. They get teeth cleaning at the vet, because I'm not dealing with that. So, ooh, these things stink. I hate the smell of dog food, dog treats, cat food. It just all stinks to me. So this is what they look like. So it is a pretty good size. And in the center you can tell that there's the toothpaste supposedly. And yeah, I hope this doesn't turn her poop green, because Yeah. So yeah, that is what she got for free, and like I said, we'll go over and see if she actually enjoys these. I gotta take her out and we'll actually see if she enjoys these. Alright, let's see. Do you like this? Come here. She probably ate it. She would eat it. She would eat my shit if I laid it down on the ground for her. So yeah, she took off under the bush. And we'll see. Thank you guys for watching.